Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and I am sharing with you the journal that was made on February the 21st. It was made live on Facebook because YouTube had errors and I couldn't connect with a mobile device nor with my computer. So they were having issues. I've turned in a ticket and I'm hoping to hear from them soon. So I thought I would give you a quick flip through of what we made. We did use the Far East journal kit from Calico Collage, and from 12:30 noon or 12:30 Central Time on the 21st through the 22nd, she does have a discount code, so you want to check that out. I'll have it in the description box. So I went ahead and my pages were printed on a laser printer a while ago. They were not print to fill the whole page. Therefore, there was a border that I cut off of white paper. So the cover is a piece of this text weight paper that is attached to the cover, and I used a black pen to highlight the edges of that. And I show how to do all of this in the live video, and I'll have the link in the description below. And then I chose some of the pages out of the journal kit, as well as some of the add-on items. Here is where I've sprayed with a new stencil that's part of my stencil club, and I used 3 different colors of Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. And then I had, this was something that was given to me, and this is one of the digital downloads from Calico Collage, and I just thought they were really pretty and should go there. This is some flocked paper that I had in my stash that I picked up a while back. And these little tabs are in the journal kit, so I use those. This was a piece of ephemera that someone sent to me, and I thought it would be cute just sticking in there. Here's a page that's a pocket page made partly with the digital image on a dictionary page, and some of the journaling cards there. Some more journaling pieces that came with the kit, and this was a card that someone sent me, so I thought it would just look kind of neat in the journal. And then I have these fibers for sale in my shop now. Then there's the stencil again. This page was longer, it stuck out, so I just folded it in, so it just gives a different look when you're going through your journal. So you can always fix it. Alright, here's a couple more images as well. And then here's where I took another one of the journal pages and turned it into a pocket onto the page. There's a pocket here. And then this is a large journal card in here. And then on the side here, I took a piece of fabric and adhered it on, and I used a bulb pen, some that I have in my shop now, and then I just added a little tassel. I just thought that would look kind of pretty on there. More stenciling, belly band made out of fabric and some fibers and one of the elements from the kit. And then this was a page out of a Chinese to English dictionary that I put in here. Another image. This is the Bella Rose rubber stamp, and I colored it with Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. And I think it turned out really well. And this page is a Chinese dictionary, and then I used one of those little notepads on top that I sprayed with the stencil and added a little bit of ephemera from the kit. And same here and there. This is a little butterfly that's in the kit. And I just tried to add things here and there. This is a piece of washi paper or origami paper, rice paper, however you may want to say it. It's really thin and pretty. Another belly band that was in the kit. This was something that a friend sent to me, and there's an envelope in the kit. And here is the journal card as well. Since I wasn't able to raffle this off on the YouTube live, we will raffle this off on Monday the 25th. So if you are interested in this journal, we're going to have a raffle during the live, and you get a chance to win this journal. Some more fabric there. Just make sure you have a bank account of some sort attached to your Google. Could be a credit card, PayPal, whatever you like to use. This folds out there. This is a stamp that I stamped and colored, and I watercolored all of that. And I had made a bunch of them because I was going to make greeting cards, and I never did. So I thought, well, this would be perfect for in here. Another one of the kit. And this was a card that someone sent to me. I think it was in a swap because it has all these information on the back about what was used. And when I asked on the live, did they want me to cover it? And they said, no, leave it in there. So I left that in there, just something interesting. And then here's some more little journal cards and tags. And then there's the back. So that was made during the live, and then after the live, I took some other elements that I already had, and I made a 5x7. This is an 8.5 by 5.5. So this is a 5x7, and this is the Bella Rose stamp again. One of the images from the Calico Collage journal kit that I trimmed down. This is one of the journal pages from the kit. This was a piece left over from the belly band that I used. I added a little scrap of fabric because it was just laying here on my desk. And I had a little stamp that I was going to use during the live, and then it got lost because I was so flustered that we couldn't get the system to work. But I went ahead and used it in here, and I just stamped it on the pages. Again, I used Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist, and I used one of the stencils from the new stencil club I started. And then this was another one of those Chinese to English dictionary pages, and then I trimmed down the little note paper to fit so it'd have a little border around it. And stamped the other pages, and then this is the last half. This was one of my mop-up papers, and I just cut it in half and made a pocket out of the other half instead of using 2 pages. So I thought I would show you those. I'm sorry you missed it. I'm sorry that YouTube was having a problem. I hope this will even upload. And I appreciate you watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Of course, comment below if you have any questions or comments about this. And again, as long as YouTube allows, I'll be back here live on Monday the 25th at, what is it, 3:45. I had to think about what time it was. 3:45 p.m. is when I'll be back on Monday. And then I'm here usually on noon till 12:30. So anyhow, I hope to see you in the chat. I hope to see some new things that you have created because of the videos that I share with you. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I go live. Take care. Bye.